So I got a funny story to tell you guys, and I'm going to name this one Mustang GT Pizza. So when we were kids, my buddy Rich and I would go four-wheeling. He had a dirt bike, I had an ATV, and we'd go to his dad's house. And we went to his dad's house. It was always a good time. You know, it was BB guns, dirt bikes, and all kinds of stuff to get in trouble with. So I just picked up a pizza. It's Friday, and a lot of people tend to pick up pizza on Friday, and it kind of reminded me of something when we were kids, and I just started laughing. So his father said, "Hey, do you guys want to go out? We'll get a pizza." And we were all of about 14 years old, and my friend's dad had an 87 Mustang GT. It was red, and a few Mustang guys, they had that, the twin turbo, like Daytona hood on it. It was all cheesed out, so it was pretty funny. It was a pretty nice car back in the day, so we go to the pizza place, we get like this pepperoni pizza. So we all get back into the Mustang, and my friend's dad, I get in the passenger seat. My buddy Rich gets in the passenger seat in the back. He gets in the back seat. It's a hatchback. So my friend's dad looks over at my friend Rich in the back, and he goes, "Hey, hang on to that pizza. Don't let anything happen to it." So we pull out of the pizza place. He drops the freaking hammer and lays a horror show for like 200 feet down the road. The pizza goes flying up into the air. It lands into the trunk of the freaking car in the back of the hatch. So my friend Rich lost all freaking control of the pizza. So we get back to his dad's house. We pop the hatch, grab the pizza. It's still in the box. We go inside the house. We all sit at the table, and we freaking open the box. And the freaking pizza is like a pizza mess inside the box. The cheese is all stuck to the top of the box. There's pepperoni all over the place. And we just started laughing our ass off. And well, I'll never forget that night. It was pretty funny. I had a Mustang for a while. It was like a 92. When I bought the car, my buddy Rich said, "What'd you get that thing for?" And I said to him, "To get pizza in." It was hilarious. But I'll never forget that night. It's something that, you know, stuck out in your mind for being a young kid, and just kind of funny shit that we did. But hope you guys enjoy the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I've got a lot of great content coming out. Have a great night, guys.